Hello students, in this session we will discuss about another data type called union. As similar to structure, union is also a user defined data type. Here, union can be defined as it is a collection of non-homogeneous data elements that can be grouped together under a common name. Now remember, the entire union concept is as similar to structure concept. Okay, here difference arises only in terms of its memory allocation. Apart from memory allocation, the entire concept is as same as structure concept. So here structure definition again arises in union definition. So as similar to structure, union is also a collection of non-homogeneous data elements that can be grouped together under a common name. Now how to declare union? Now the general format of union declaration is it starts with the keyword union. Union tag specifies name of the union followed by data type members like data type member 1, data type member 2 and so on, data type member n. Now all these data members are placed within pair of braces. Declaration must be ends with a semicolon. Remember students, in case of structure, it starts with the keyword struct. Now in union data type, it starts with the keyword union. Here, these members are treated as union members or union elements. So when this format arises, here user created a user defined data type as union tag. Now observe these points. Union is a keyword used to define union declaration. Tag specifies name of the union that follows same rules as a valid identifier. Members declared inside the union declaration are called union elements or union members. Union declaration must be ended with a semicolon. Union is a user defined data type. So example, union book open brace and we place three members as char bname of 10, int pages and float price. Here union book data type is created by the user, but memory allocation is not possible. Memory is allocated only at the time of defining a variable. For this, now it shows the general format of defining union variable. Syntax: union tag variable name 1, comma, variable name 2, comma, and so on, variable name p. This example, union book, now it refers to data type. Here the variable name is b1. When a variable is created, now compiler is ready to allocate memory for the variable. Here memory allocation, it allocates 10 bytes of memory and this memory is linked with the variable b1. Here remember, now it shows the difference between structure and union. In structure concept, memory is allocated individually for each member, whereas in case of union concept, compiler selects the highest memory member and this memory is allocated and it is shared by all members of the union. So when we observe the data type creation, bname with size 10, pages 2 bytes and price 4 bytes. Here the highest memory is 10 bytes, hence it allocates only 10 bytes of memory, and this memory is shared by all members of the union. It's an important point. In union, compiler selects the member which occupies highest memory, and that memory is reserved only, so that all members of the union are shared that common memory. Now, how to access members of the union? Now, as similar to structure, here also we use dot member. So dot operator is used to access members of the union with union variable. Now the general format, union variable dot member. Examples, b1 dot pages. The same format, b1 dot b name and b1 dot cast. Now finally is one example program. Here we are creating union book database. So union book open brace, and we place members as char bname 50, int pages, float price, and curly brace ends with a semicolon. Now remember students, here common memory is allocated for all members, hence union can handle only one member at a time. So when we go for another member, now previous member data is not available. Hence, when a member data is available, immediately we use those values. So after utilization only, we go for another member of the union. Now based on this, now main program, union book b1. Now first we read input as title of the book. Now get us of b1 dot b name. Now immediately we print book detail value. Here we are printing book title. Next member, enter number of pages. Now we read b1 dot pages value. Now immediately we print number of pages. And third member, price. So enter cost of the book. Now read b1 dot price value, and immediately we print book cost value. In such a way we create union data type. Okay? So remember, structure can handle multiple members, but union can handle only one member at a time. More than one member handling is not possible. Note, let us consider some important points. The main difference between a structure and union is in terms of their storage space. In structure, memory is allocated individually for each member. Hence, each member has its own storage location. But in case of union, a common memory is allocated, and this memory is shared by all members. The main advantage of union is to save lot of memory compared to structure. Then, a union can be placed as a member of the structure, and a structure can be placed as a member of the union. Now this type of formats are referred as union of structures and structure of unions. So all these are valid. Okay? Thank you one and all.